Welcome back. This is Andrew with blueseawater.com, and I'm with Ed. We get a lot of questions from time to time regarding troubleshooting some issues. By far, the number one issue sometimes is people say they're not getting gas out of the machine. So this is a very simple troubleshooting video. If you're not getting gas, and the way to test if you're getting gas is to attach the bubbling stone and put it in water. If it's bubbling water, you're getting gas. If it's not, then you need to troubleshoot why you're not getting gas. And we're just going to demonstrate the things to go through.
Okay, turn it on. Okay, so the first thing to do if you're not getting any bubbles into the machine is check your cap here. It could be leaking. The fill cap itself could be leaking, and that will cause no bubbles in. If you have a situation where you're getting bubbles in the first gas purifying cup, but not in the second, you can have a cross thread of the first cup. So what you want to do is you want to reseat that cup. What normally you do is just turn it backwards. Until you hear a click, and then tighten it down. And that solved our issue. Now both gas purifying cups are bubbling. If you have a situation where the first cup is bubbling and the second cup is bubbling, but you have no gas coming out your fill port in the front, then that means that this cap is cross-threaded. So you want to gently pull that up, and again, turn it backwards until you hear a click, and then tighten it down and reseat it. That will complete the gas and seal the gas so that it comes out from the fill port where you want it to be coming out for your accessories. Always use the infusion stone anytime you disrupt anything to refill the machine or change any configuration, because the infusion stone will put a little bit of back pressure on the system. And if it's bubbling through the infusion stone attached to the port, then you have a good connection all through the system and no gas leaks anywhere.
So essentially, wherever there's a connection, there could be a leak. The tower adapter set piece at the bottom there is on very snugly, and unless you actually put a wrench to it and loosened it, that should not ever change. So the union piece above it possibly could have not been put on properly after cleaning. The most likely culprits are going to be the caps. I've had that several times, and that's where you're going to start, and then the cap on the tower, of course. So that should take care of 99% of any gas leaks. Any other comments, Ed?
No, that covers them all, Andrew.
Great, thank you so much. And if you do all these steps and still are having a problem, please contact us. Sometimes with the caps, you got to kind of get the knack of going backwards and hearing that click. I sometimes have to do it twice before I really feel like it's taking a proper seat. So be patient with the caps when you go to reseat them. All righty, that concludes our gas leak video, and thank you for watching.